Are we approaching a bubble in the U.S. real estate market? Fast rising home prices, out of control bidding wars, investors flocking the market? Over the past few years, we have watched how home prices have increased monthly. And many buyers have been offering way over asking price. Kind of gets a lot of people thinking about maybe back in 2007, 2008 real estate bubble. Now with mortgage rates soaring up into 5% and climbing, many are wondering if we're not approaching a bubble or maybe we're in one now. However, here in the greater Daytona Beach area, I am noticing the market is starting to cool off a little. Some markets will start to see a correction if the mortgage rates continue to rise, in which sales will drop and prices will follow. Now, I do not expect to see a huge market crash or foreclosure. Now, buyers shouldn't expect to see a price drop anytime soon. It's going to take a little time for the higher mortgage rates to have their full impact on the market, in my opinion. Now, I don't think it's going to drop much more until buyers start realizing the impact it's going to make with these higher interest rates on their mortgage. They'll start making lower offers or drop out of the market altogether. If they see prices eventually dip, they may even hold out and wait to see just how much farther down the prices will end up going. Then home sellers just might not realize that they will no longer be able to get the prices they were hoping to get. In my opinion, sellers in most markets are still trying to price their homes from the market conditions 3 months ago and not what the interest rates are as of today. I believe we're in a series of transition where sellers are looking at the lack of homes on the market and record high prices, and then assuming the prices are going to continue like this. So is the US in a housing bubble? Well, again, in my opinion, the housing market has become pretty bubbly. To explain a little further, a correction is not a bust, and a correction does not have to be a very big price decrease. It could mean just a few percentage points till the market starts cooling off some more and adjust to the higher interest rates. Now, the last bust, the bubble in 2007, 2009, was mainly because a lot of shady balloon loans that were done. What happened, in my opinion, was a lot of homeowners were given these loans unapproved or not qualified completely, and then when their payments came to a balloon payment, they weren't able to make the demands or make their mortgage payments, and that's when the foreclosures began happening. Then also during that time, many were laid off and couldn't afford to scoop up the homes that were on the market. That was a huge part of the bubble, in my opinion, in 2007, 2008. I don't think that's gonna happen this time around, as they're done away with those balloon loans. They're much more qualified lenders lending these loans. And if it was to happen, we seem to be getting a lot more cash and investor deals as well. Financially, many buyers are still in a position to buy a home, but the challenge is watching the prices and the interest rate go up weekly, which can be very discouraging. What are your thoughts? What do you think? Are we in a bubble now? Are we heading towards a bubble? Or you think we just gonna be perfectly fine, everything's gonna work its way out? I'd love to hear your comments below. And if there's anything I can do to help you, please give me a call, send me a text, or shoot me an email. Just know I got your back when we move into the greater Daytona Beach area. Till next time.